Means through the years kami, sa Emerge, yung experience namin, marami kami nakakilala na
Natulungan, ito ang Buhay Ireland Podcast. Let's go! Buhay Ireland, lakas ng kabayan, trabahong tutot o di lang harap-harapan. Governors, pati construction, factory, office, taas no sa action. Buhay Onay, may gabay ka rito sa hiring negosyo, di ka nag-iisa bro. Kainan, inuman, kwento ng tagumpay, boses ng Pinoy, tuloy lang ang buhay. Kahit malayo sa Pinas ang paa, puso ng Pinoy ay nandito pa rin.
Hello guys, welcome sa Buhay Ireland. We're here, we're back, at maraming pa tayong mabibigay sa inyong news actually. I'm so excited guys. Makikita nyo naman sa pananalita ko. I'm so excited to tell you guys na meron tayong mga kasama ngayon as our guest. At hindi sila yung normal na guest lang. Kumbaga bigatin to mga to na alam mo kong aabangan ng lahat kasi ang dami nilang sila yung mga taong behind the gig na meron dito sa Ireland, Australia, Belfast at London at kung saan-saan pa. Hindi sila madaling kausap kasi talagang busy sila. Pero binigyan tayo ng chance, time to do this podcast with them. And hopefully you can learn a lot from these people, and hopefully you'll be excited sa mga pasabog na ibibigay nila sa atin. So ano na natin, huwag na natin patagalin to. Simulan na natin ang Buhay Ireland podcast with our two guests here in our podcast. So pakilala ko muna ang tao behind, okay, sa yung nga, mayonnaise. Yun yung ating number one topic ngayon. Alam mo, mayonnaise yung bun. Alam ko marami pang bun dyan, pero umpisa natin sa mayonnaise. So collaboration more likely ng dalawang to. So pakilala natin si Sir Elmer ng Australia at ang kanyang minamanage yung Emerge Entertainment. And syempre, hindi rin mawawala si Mel Gonzaga na Mel G Media Production here in Ireland. Guys, pasok! Kumusta?
Hello, good
po.
morning.
Magandang gabi sa amin dito sa ano. Nandito kami
Good,
sa Pinas ngayon, sir. Pero magandang umaga at magandang tanghali kung anong oras yun sa Ireland.
good
Mm.
morning, everyone, and thank you for
Morning
having us
po.
po, Kuya Jerome.
Ayun. So ano tayo, guys, start tayo sa Kuya Elmer or Imeng ang tawag, ang kanyang nickname. Yan, Boss Imeng. So, can you explain briefly as your role as a manager ng Emerge Entertainment and how do you handle mayonnaise for this event?
Apo. Kami po ang I'm representing Emerge Entertainment. We are based in Australia. And kami po ang nagdala ng mayonnaise band for the first time dyan sa Ireland, specifically sa Belfast. And we have Mel G Productions under Miss Mel. Sila po ang kinuha namin line producer ng Belfast stop ng second tour ng Mayonnaise Band, which is happening this May. So specifically for Belfast, this is on May 24 sa Limelight 2 venue sa Belfast.
Yes, it's Limelight
Mm.
too. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much, Kuya, for having us and
Mhm.
for collaborating with us. And we are so delighted to be able to assist you. You guys have already brought in a lot of productions all around the world, so it's very inspiring to see that.
So, yun nga, Mel, thank you so much for introducing Kuya Imeng Sibel. So, Mel G Production, ano ba ang ano natin din about your media, ano ba ang role natin as support kay Kuya Imeng sa kanilang Emerge Entertainment?
Yes, so like I said, it's such a pleasure to work kay Kuya Elmer. We are supporting him in terms of the promotions and making sure that we're able to produce a really amazing show. I know mayonnaise has already made a mark in the market, so um, being the line producer, so we are here, like yourself, Kuya. We're here, we're trying to
Mm.
ensure that that hopefully we're gonna sold out the show and obviously promote and market the Filipino icons that is for the first time coming to Belfast. So which is very exciting. A lot of the communities in Belfast are very excited to have them.
Yes, so that's a good point. Actually, everybody is so excited. Until now, they're talking about it, about mayonnaise. Kuya Elmer, I just want to know, can you describe mayonnaise right now? Because I know, I believe they already performed sa Belfast before, I think, or I'm not really sure. But for now, ano ba ang mayonnaise ngayon sa 2026?
First time nila actually makakapunta sa Belfast, and then first time din nila makakapag-perform outside ng London, which is yun nga, Manchester, and then sa Isle of Man. So,
Mm.
yun, this coming May, yun ang first three shows ng tinawag namin yung show na title niya is Mayo, ano? Mayo
Ah,
sa Mayo.
Mayo sa Mayo.
Yes.
That's a really
So,
good
yun ang ano namin.
target.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So, basically, first time nila sa magpe-perform sa Ireland.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Yun pala eh. So everybody is so
Mm.
excited as I said kasi hindi naman ganun rin kalayo ang Belfast actually sa Ireland. It's just like a minute, an hour away lang naman and a lot of people coming from different places for sure. Away like iba from 2 hours drive pa nga minsan yung iba and they're so excited. This is what I hear na they bought a ticket and they're so excited to come over to Belfast kasi Belfast is a good city rin kasi. So everybody wants to see, iba nagbo-book na rin ng hotel and stuff like that. So, they're so excited. So, marami nga abangan pala sa Mayonnaise this coming May. Yeah, sa May. So, as a band, as a Mayonnaise kuya, how do you talk? Do you talk to them po ba? And how do you, how is your partnership with them po sa ngayon?
Actually, ang lagi kong kausap yung pinaka main man nila, si Monty. Doon ko I mean, mas close yung relationship namin with Monty kasi mas direct yung yung mga questions namin, and then yung mga inquiries, yung mga questions din niya sa amin. So, yung interaction is mas closer siya, and then mas direct nga, yun nga. Ah, pag may tanong kami na gusto namin malaman kahit sa technical, nasasagot niya kasi siya rin naman yung I mean, may Monty being the main man ng banda, siya yung parang pinaka decision maker diyan sa grupo. So siya yung parang nasasabi ko pinaka boss ng banda. Yun.
Yeah.
Okay naman yung relationship namin professionally, business-wise, and then technically okay naman. Ano sila, professional silang ah, grupo, and then yun nga lang, medyo may pagka-private sila pagka hindi gig. Ayaw nila ng ayaw nila nung may mga ano yun, yung mga hindi na kasama sa entourage na sama-sama pa sa kanila, ayaw nila nun. So pagka sarili ng oras, ayaw nila, yun, gusto nila sila lang talaga. I mean, literal na sila lang talaga. Yun ang pinagkaiba na sa ibang mga na-handle namin na artist. Yung iba kasi nakikimingle pa, di ba? Sila, pag,
Ah,
pag walang tugtog, makikita mo yan, may sarili silang itinerary. Tapos si Monty, darating lang yan ng venue pagka tutugtog na siya. Hindi siya yung, kahit sa soundcheck, wala siya eh.
Oh wow.
Ganun ang kanyang ginagawa, I mean, nakasanayan na
okay.
mula nung siya. Marami kasi silang
Mm-mm.
tugtog, di ba? So, ganun lagi ang kanyang, hindi ko masasabi, habit
Mm-mm.
ba or yung kanyang nakasanayan
Style.
na ginagawa. Oh, style. Yan,
Mm-mm.
yan, yan. Apo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good to know. At least, siguro, may mga kanya-kanya nga, sabi niyo, style. Baka yun yung way niya to handle and, the pressure and, to
Tama.
get ready
Oh.
dun sa mga,
Mm.
tugtog
Mm.
pag umakit sa stage. May mga ganun talagang tao na, they don't really
Iba-iba eh,
mingle much.
iba-iba. Oo. Iba-iba
Iba-iba
yung
talaga.
personality nila, kumbaga. Oo.
Tama.
Exactly.
But as long they can perform, that's the,
Oo,
yun yung
nako.
number one.
Pag napanood nyo yan, ako na mag-guarantee. I mean, although matagal ko na sila napapanood nung nandito pa lang sa Pilipinas, pero nung parang reminiscent nga nung di nagkita kami sa London tapos tumugtog na sila, naalala ko lang na ganun sila kagaling. Lalo si Monty, ano siya eh, parang hindi ka maboboard pag nagpe-perform sila sa
Yeah.
stage. Oh, masyadong lively tsaka talagang nadadala niya yung crowd. Yun ang isa sa mga ano niya, parang pinaka significant para sa amin. Sa akin personally. Mm.
So, kilala nyo naman siya. Nakita nyo na maraming beses na rin pala. So, at least you have the
Oo, dami,
idea
oh.
and you have the experience na pwede nyo isabihin sa mga tao na it will be fun, it will be exciting nga naman. Maski kami na-excite na rin kami actually sa mga darating na
Ako
mga
nga,
katulad nyo.
January pa lang, excited na ako kasi sabi ko, sigurado ako mag-enjoy itong mga tao to. Yun ang
For sure.
guarantee dyan.
Yeah, and
Tama.
he has a
Yes.
really good so it's very engaging sa crowd,
Ano, wala yan.
and
Hmm.
everyone will definitely enjoy.
Yan, tama, tama. Yeah.
That's for sure. That's for sure. Anyway, Mel, natanong ko na total ano ko diyan. Continuous lang natin yung sinabi ni Kuya Elmer about major production. They gave you the parang sa
Yeah.
Ireland, ikaw syempre nakabase sa Ireland. Sa iyo binigay yung parang line ng mag-arrange ng organized para sa dito sa Ireland Belfast. So when they ask you that, yung ganyong question, what do you feel? Ano yung unang reaction mo? May ano ka ba, may doubt ka ba na,
No,
siguro busy tayo kasi may
when
mga
I
iba rin
spoke to
tayong
Kuya, I
event,
have
or
really
you just
I'm
like, oh
kasi
yeah,
I
well, no
first
problem, Kuya.
things first, all the shows that I take on, it's because I also believe in the artist. Because as a musician myself, I've been in the music industry for 20 years,
Yes.
as a performer, as an event organizer, as a musician, and now I'm also a vocal coach. So I have the ears for music and for all the musicians that have the potential of, like, especially
Mm-mm.
the singers or writers in terms of the bands or solo artists. And when Kuya mentioned Mayonnaise, they are already an icon in the Philippines.
Mm-mm.
So mahirap tanggihan, especially for these bands who you look up to as well. And I was also in the band for how many years before I got pregnant. So we sing some of their songs. So it's something that parang nostalgia for me.
Mm-mm.
And all of the
Mm-mm.
events that I do are meaningful to me because it's also
Mm-mm.
part of my life growing up. So now it's very exciting, and it was a pleasure to work with Kuya Elmer, especially batikan na
Yeah.
siya sa Australia. Imagine from Australia to the Philippines. Sa Philippines yun pala, Ireland na pala. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, I know, right? It's a long reach, di ba? Di ba? Yun nga sinasabi ko kasi for me, especially, I only know Mel G production. Hindi ko na alam yung ibang mga production na outside Ireland kasi we have your team here, in Ireland. So why not, what kailangan pa natin yung mga tao sa labas. Pero this time na nakita ko to, it makes sense na, you have connected each other and there's a lot of potential na pwedeng
Malaking
i-bring out
potential,
ng
oh.
mga ibang katulad yung production sa ibang ibang country na pwede rin pala mangyari at may mangyari dito sa Ireland.
Ano yan eh, makakwento ko lang. Walang, yung kwento ng UK, Europe, in terms of mga OPM acts na
Oh,
pumunta sa inyo
Mm-mm.
after nung pandemic. Naging kwento yan dito sa amin sa Australia. Baliktad lang. O kasi yung mga taga-Amerika at taga-Canada, sila lahat ang nagpa-show nung after nung pandemic. Kasi kami, yung deck up namin, ah yung
mm-mm.
2023, kami yung unang-unang nagpa-concert after nung pandemic, 2023, July.
Mhm.
Tapos nung sunod-sunod
Mhm.
na hanggang pati Eraserheads pumunta na rito. And then last, yung pinakamalaking OPM artist na nagpunta rito is yung SB19. So yun,
Ooh.
yun ang naging parang ano niya, naging kwento niya.
Yes.
Naging yung karamihan ng mga nag-produce ng concerts after nung inopen namin yung opportunity para dun sa iba is
Mm.
yan, ang dami. Mostly taga-America tsaka
Oo.
taga-Canada yung mga production na companies na
Yun.
Filipino rin
And
naman
from
sila
the
syempre.
feedback
na
Oo, yung sa feedback
sunod-sunod
nga
yun,
natin
as
sa
in
previous, kasi
sunod-sunod.
Kuya Jerome is
Mm.
part of
Yun yung gusto.
the
Yeah.
show last
Yeah, yeah. Go on.
November. Talagang yung feedback was like everyone was really missing the
Yes.
Filipino music. And
Mm-mm.
as an artist, well, hindi, but as a musician myself,
Yeah,
para bang
Yeah.
yeah.
it's a way of promoting OPM music as well and bring it back to our
Yeah.
countrymen here. And mostly naman talaga sa Melgy Media are all community based, but this year lang talaga ako,
Mm-mm.
last year actually, nag-start ako naging more confident to do it because I now have a really strong team behind me. Kung ako lang, usually, mahirap pag ikaw lang mag-isa
Yeah.
eh, but now everyone are like, oh, come, you have to do this,
Mm-mm.
this, and there, you got back up with good people, so it's and professional people, so that's why now you're like, okay, let's bring it back kasi the last time talaga was pre-pandemic.
Yeah. Yeah. Oo, mahirap. Hindi, totoo yun. Mahirap mag-isa to do all of these things. You want it, pero hindi mo kakayanin ng iyong power lang. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa. So you have to have a team talaga. For sure, Kuya Elmer, he's good team until now. Kailan kayo nag-start, Kuya, ulit ng production niyo, Kuya Elmer?
Uh,
2023.
dito sa Australia, way back 2023. After nung
Oh,
pandemic, I mean, hindi, nung 2012, yan yung,
yeah.
nung nakatira pa kami sa New Zealand, unang-una
Mhm.
namin show ay Parokya ni Edgar. Yan, naka-sold out kami noon ng, ano yun,
Oh.
grabe yung record namin yung 3,500 na Filipinos nagpunta.
Oh,
Oo, totoo
right.
yun. Tapos sinundan namin ng PBA Legends na, ayun nga,
Mm,
sila ano yun, sila Alan Kaydik, sila
mm,
Jeffrey Cariaso, Johnny Abarientos. And then after nun, sunod, ayun, Parokya,
Oo.
and then River Maya, and then yun, hanggang, syempre, nag-pandemic.
yeah.
Tapos, yeah, tapos after nung pandemic, nung nag-open na yung borders, ang
Yes.
una-una namin pinapunta sa Australia, which is kami rin, yung grupo rin namin, ay December Avenue. Yan, sold out
Yes.
yan halos. Naka-sold out kami ng
Mm,
ilang shows nun kasi maraming shows yan
Wow.
eh. Parang, ang na-sold out namin is
Congratulations,
5 out of
kuya.
7 if I'm not mistaken na shows. Oh,
mm.
Nag-back to back pa nga
Yeah.
kami nun eh. Grabe yung sa
Ayun,
Perth
no?
namin, nag-back to back kami. Say, nag-start sila na ano, yung unang show na na-sold out sa Saturday. And then the following day, Sunday, sold out din. Pero ano yung acoustic show na yun kasi iniba na nila yung format para hindi maiba yung dating ba sa mga tao. Pero yun ang aming story. From 2012 until now, tuloy-tuloy naman.
So matagal na po talaga kayo
Mm,
naka
mm.
into production. So you have the experience and the capability na ngayon, lalo na 2026 na, mas marami na kayong ideas and marami nang lumalapit sa inyo rin.
Yes.
Which is katulad din ni Mel. I know Mel is on this kind of
20, so
event
Melgy
since din
Media
hindi lang naman
was
2000 last year.
formed on
Matagal na rin siya.
2017, primarily because of
Mm.
the kuan. I manage singers kasi and I coach them.
Mhm.
It's more I wanted to create a platform because as a musician myself, the only way for a musician
Mhm.
to get the exposure is sa mga events. So I
Yeah.
started producing my own events in order to expose yung mga talented
Yeah.
musicians sa Ireland. So I think the we had I worked together as a performer and nag-support
Mm.
ako sa
Mm.
original na producers before sila Tita Angie, kasi kumakanta pa ako at that time. And then my first one talaga, the major one, was yung dinala ko si
Mm.
Jessica Sanchez dito. It was sold out for 2,500 people to sa Scientology. So,
So yeah.
oh, wala, kuan pa siya, bago bago pa siya sa American Idol doon. And then ayun, oh, yun
Bago
nga,
pa lang.
sabi ko, bigla siyang
Tapos siya
nanalo, and
yung
I'm
nanalo
so
lately, di
happy
ba?
for her. So ayun,
Mhm.
doon na
Oh,
nagsa-start
grabe
na.
yun.
So just creating a platform really to get the a platform for all the musicians here na ma-expose din sila through this events, yung mga musical acts that we look up to.
Wow. Ayun,
Oo.
maganda naman yung layunin mo, you coach them,
Oo.
you ano ba, you enhance their talent at the same time, and then to be known. Yun yung ano, yung kagandahan ng radio
Yes.
production din. Hindi lang nagpo-produce ka ng mga
Oh,
banda or artists coming from the Philippines,
I
you're
I
doing
literally
the same
coached
thing
them
naman dito
for
naman sa
free
art.
for how many years? Like kami, oo.
Binaliktad mo lang
For
eh,
free. And then
yung
all of
role
my
na ginagawa
talents
mo.
talagang
Ayun,
pinapadala ko
go
sa
for
The
it.
Voice, mga ganon. So,
Just go for free. Yeah. Yun, dapat lang. Kasi marami talagang mga ano, talented na mga singer na alam kong alam mo yung category mo, kumbaga. Okay, mabalik tayo sa Mayonnaise. So Mayonnaise po, how long they will be performing in Belfast po sa ano nila, sa gig nila?
Typical set nila ay at least an hour or pagka napasarap ng tugtog, at least an hour and a half yan sila.
yes.
Pero lahat naman ng tutugtugin na syempre yung mga classics nila and then yung mga hits.
Tama.
Yeah.
Mm.
So yun ang ano
Yun.
dun, that's for sure. Pero yun, yung normal set nila
Yes.
is at least an hour and a half.
Tama.
Ano yan,
And
sulit
dun
yan.
sa ano po,
Kumbaga sulit yan. Sigurado.
good, no? An hour, masyado nung mahaba nga actually. Lahat ng good
Oo. Mm.
classical until now yung mga song kung may bago sila. It's gonna
Saka
be there
may
for
ano
sure.
si
And
si
yeah,
Monty lang ang makikita mo na nagpe-perform na nagbabanda may chewing gum and then
ah,
namimigay siya ng ano ng mga cups niya na tapos
okay.
namimigay yan ng mga guitar pick niya. Yun ang kanyang ano eh, ano eh. Yan ang kanyang signature eh. So
Signature.
lahat nung
So we
ano
expect that.
nung nasa London siya, grabe eh.
Opo.
Bigay siya ng bigay ng ano eh, ng ganun, ng mga picks tsaka ng yun nga, yung mga caps niya. Mm.
Yes. So yeah, so we will expect that po kay ano, kay Monty, baka magbigay din siya sa mga fans, mga nandun.
Oh, sure
And
yan. Sure yan.
matanong ako,
Mm.
matanong ko lang, ito bang tickets natin dito sa gig na to? Meron po bang VIP or meron din po bang general admission lang or how people can mingle with the mga band or may ganun po ba?
Yes.
Actually, dalawang types lang naman ng ano eh, ng ng tickets. So, isang general admission. Yeah. So,
Ah,
tapos isang VIP. Sa
Early
VIP
access.
meron ang ano nun, ang privileges
Meet
dun
and
is
greet.
yeah, early entry, early access, yes.
mm,
Tapos meet
mm,
and greet and photo
mm,
opportunity with the band. Pero most likely
mm,
after the show na yung dalawang ano yun. And then pag may dala silang merchandise or kung may matira pa, kasi nga dahil last
mm,
stop ang Belfast, crowd free na purchase, meaning to say, hindi nila kasabayan yung mga, no offense Gen Ad. So,
Yes.
mga
No
VIP lang sila
merchandise.
lahat na pwedeng bumili ng priority na pwedeng bumili ng merchandise. So, yun.
mm.
Mm.
Alright. So, well, alam naman po siguro ng mga ano yan, ng mga fans or mga bibili ng ticket na there's two kind of tickets kaya nga po
Yeah.
kinakategory natin yan para maging fair din sa lahat. And for
Yep, yep.
sure, people will so excited to come in Limelight, tama po ba?
Limelight, yes.
Limelight Studios sa Belfast. And
The
what time
door
would the door open for this
the
gig?
door open. The
Mel,
the door
can answer
opens
that
at
po.
5.
Baka pa may iba oras masabi ko.
Oo.
5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. Start siya ng
Front
5
acts,
p.m.
Yep.
yes.
Meron ba silang ano, sorry, meron ba
So
silang ano
obviously
ba tawag diyan, first
ang
act na ibang
gusto ko
band? Yung
mabigyan naman din
perform act, yeah.
ng opportunity yung mga talents natin dito. Yes. So,
Yung mga local. Yeah, yeah. Tama yan. Apo. Wala namang, yun po yun.
Toy
Yung
and Dot.
na-mention nyo
Exactly.
sila,
Yes.
yan na ba yung sila Choi
Yes.
and,
Mm.
Dot. Dot. Di ba
Oh,
yun? Yeah.
Sila
yeah, so
ano po,
Sige, Miss
I've
Mel, ikaw po ang
invited
magpaliwanag.
Si Choi to do the
paliwanag
front
Mel.
act. Actually, they won the Rising Star Band from our Battle of the Bands last year. So,
Mhm,
might as well give them the opportunity to shine as
mhm,
well kasi they have their own original songs.
mhm,
And of course, one of the Mel G talents, si Dot. So, Dot is a professional na rapper who battles the Pinoy rap around Europe. And he will be there as well. And actually sila
Mm.
ni Miles hopefully mag help host. And then meron ka din front act from the UK, kuya, di ba?
We'll be bringing over TMS.
Oh,
So,
wow.
na taga London yung mga yan. Actually, sila yung kasama namin na touring band along with, yes, ng DECAB ngayong coming March. So, sila rin yung magpe-perform sa 6 out of 7, 5 out of 7 na shows ng DECAB. Sila yung kasama namin magtutour
Oh,
din as front act. Ang pangalan nila ay Trigger Me Senpai, and then yung isa and tsaka yung isa ay Tito Ken and Friends. May mga original songs din sila. Tsaka ano na sila eh. So masasabi mo na maganda rin yung caliber ng banda. Magaling actually may mga original sila na masasabi ko na na catchy
yay.
pag napakinggan nyo. Mapapakinggan nyo for sure diyan sa sa show. Kasama rin sila
Island
magpe-perform
ano.
sa Manchester and then sa Isle of Man. Yan. So, yan.
Wow.
Sumama na sila kasi mga nurse yan, mga grupo na yan na from London.
Mm.
Yung grupo na, tapos yung isa Somerset ba yun? Papunta sa Stonehenge na area ng, kung saan na kung
Mm.
saan ba yun. Pero doon sila nakatira, malapit.
Mm. Ayun.
Kumbaga yan ang mga suki na namin na kinukuha namin ng mga product. Kasi magagaling sila, I would say. Um, Maraming beses namin silang ginawa. Tsaka, maano ko rin, ma-mention ko rin na kahit sa sa Manchester na stop,
Yes.
and then sa Isle of Man, meron din kaming ginawa ng mga local na front
Oh,
acts. Kaya na ginawa natin diyan sa Belfast with kila
yes.
Mel. So, yun. Ano yun essential yan kumbaga, na meron kang
Yes.
local representation para at least, 'di ba, merong yun, by the word
Opo.
itself is local sila. Alam nila yung environment, kumbaga,
Mm.
na
Yun. Hindi ko,
pagpe-performa nila. Yeah.
oo. Hindi ko lang maano kanina, sabi ko baka surprise naman yung mga front act niya.
Hindi
Which is
na.
hindi naman pala.
Hindi.
Okay naman.
Hindi.
We all know
Okay
Oh,
naman
na
pala.
yun.
Siguro nasa poster na rin pala siguro din to or whatever.
Mm.
Ayun nga,
Ilalabas na
siguro
rin yan
few
soon.
question na lang.
Mm.
Few question na lang po sa inyo for both kayo network production. How important is this for you guys na nag-collab kayo for this event? For sure, hindi lang naman to yung first and last
yes, of
nyo. For sure, there
course.
will be a lot of collaboration with you guys. And how
Hopefully.
important is this? How important po sa inyong dalawa to? Kasi as I said, hindi siya madali gawin kasi there's a lot of talks and stuff like that to
Yeah.
confirm and everything. Kasi may mga ganito po talaga na mga production na hindi sila
Ikaw
nagkakaunawaan
na,
sa
kuya.
mga bagay-bagay. So for you guys, how do you deal with this kind of things?
Yes.
Ano lang naman give and take lang naman
In
So, hindi ewan ko, siguro kahit hindi ko pa nakikita si Mel personally, pero alam mo na by the way we interact or communicate, professional sila I mean, kumbaga hindi ka mag-aalala in a way na baka mamaya mali yung gawin nito or ganito ganyan. Never ko naramdaman yun sa kila Miss Mel. So, parang in a way is naging ano kami, kumbaga
yeah.
parang at ease, not in a way, not in a bad way na bahala na sila or something. Kasi nagba-back and forth pa din naman kami hanggang ngayon. So, mahalaga sa amin yung collaboration kasi parang ito yung mag-open ng ng opportunities. Hindi lang naman sa amin, I mean sa amin, I mean sa MLGN Productions and sa Emerge. So, sa ibang sa ibang hopefully sa ibang production companies din na kumbaga ano yan kumbaga
Yes.
free naman ng ang yung industry is maliit lang din. So, most likely may iba ba diyan na
Yung
which is
music
a
industry
good thing
natin.
kasi pag
Yes.
ganyan ibig sabihin nagta-thrive yung yung industry. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Tsaka it's our way of showing our support sa OPM in particular. Kasi sila naman yung kinukuha natin, hindi naman mga ibang artist na non-Filipinos, di ba? So,
Oh,
yun ang
and my
significant sa amin from coming from Emerge. So, yun. Okay, kumbaga ano, kumbaga ako isa sa magba-vouch sa Mel
Ah,
G
thank you,
Productions na
Kuya. And yes,
professional
I
sila
feel
na ano,
exactly the same way.
na
Like it's such a
kausap.
pleasure to
Yan.
work with you, you and we also collaborate with
Thank
multiple
you.
producers and
Mm,
productions is because first things first, my core vision as a producer and event organizer is really it brings down to music and music talent my passion to provide a platform for
yep,
the not only to our music icons from the Philippines but also for our local artists. So, 'di ba, yun talaga yung passion ko and very important to collaborate with multiple productions because we're just it's like Kuya said, we're a very small industry and we're doing this for our community, for our OPM as well. So like even sa UK, ang dami-daming producers but they all talk to each other and support each other. So uh because we all have one goal, for me it's more on like making sure that we serve our community, our industry, the OPM artist, and also yung companies like ourselves na to thrive together as one. So that's on my end. So it's such an honor. Yes. Kaya nga may mga events si Kuya,
yun ang
sinasabi ko,
common
"Ay
ground
Kuya,
natin eh.
sa month ito
Yun
meron
ang
akong
common
ganito."
ground.
So oo, tingnan natin sa ibang month para hindi siya mag-clash. So we
Oo,
always
tama.
we link into each other
Mm,
just to ensure na parang we both benefit
yeah,
Yes.
as one.
tama.
Mm.
Tama, tama.
Ayun. So maganda pala yung samahan niyo talaga from the start until now and you you know each other yung goal na yun nga walang lamangan, it's
Yes.
just for the people naman din talaga to and yung industry mabuhay lalo na yung OPM mabuhay din siya
Yep,
hindi
yep.
siya mamamatay di ba kaya talagang napaka-importante to siguro ano po last question, siguro after nitong Belfast or Bayonnaise na 'to, meron pa ba kayong mga tinatagong mga event na puwedeng malaman ba
Oh,
or di puwedeng
maraming
malaman?
tinatago yan si Miss Mel.
We
Ganito.
look forward to it. Kuya.
Kayong
Ayan,
dalawa, ano ba ang mga
bahala
We're
siya kung
still
sino
excited niyo?
magsasabi
cooking.
niyan. Mm,
Yes, we're
yeah.
still
Ayun,
Mm.
so
cooking.
marami kaming
We're still
bale
cooking. Yan ang tamang terminology.
oo, ayun. So
Pero for
marami
sure
po palang ano
may susunod pa yan. For sure.
Oh my God, guys,
Mm.
kami ni
Hindi ba 'to
Kuya
mga
dyan
kasi
para sabi
narinig ko yung mga
SB19, parang mahirap
SB19,
yan
yung
eh.
mga
Mm.
malalaking wala bang gano'n?
Grabe yun.
Ay, oo nga,
Mahirap ba?
pambili na
Well,
ng
hindi
Parang ano
naman
bahay
yun,
yun,
masama,
Kuya.
grabe.
pangarap.
Pambili
Pero
ng
it might
bahay yung mga
happen.
talent Pinoy mga yan.
Hindi,
Grabe
naisip
yan.
ko lang yung mga ganong event. Kasi marami kasi talaga
Oo.
nagre-request minsan ng mga ibalik ang parokya, ibalik or pakantahin naman, papuntahin naman
Mm.
dito yung
Hindi
ganitong banda
talaga.
or singer. Marami
Mm.
po talaga nagre-request ng mga Pinoy. Pero hindi po siya ganun kadali talaga na basta-basta lang na
Cost.
Oo.
kunin. Ano yun. Just to
Sa producer
understand.
point
It
of
brings
view,
down
ano
to
yan,
cost.
naku, napaka tedious.
Yes, exactly.
Oo.
At the
Numbers,
end.
numbers, numbers. Yan ang number one.
Ayan.
Mm.
Pagka, I mean, ang sarap isipin no? Kahit sino sa ano pwede. Kaya lang pagka ikaw na yung magpo-produce, mapapaisip ko, baka
Yes.
mamaya, pagka hindi ko ginawa yung due diligence ko lalo sa numbers, baka pagka nadala ka lang ng emotions mo, tapos talo ka sa actual
Yes.
patay.
Tama.
Yes.
Ang dami ng
Dami
marami na
request.
kasi kaming, I mean, through the years kami, sa
Mm.
Emerge, yung experience namin, marami kami nakakilala na nag-produce na nag-fail and then they have to sacrifice
Oo.
everything, almost everything na to the point na parang
And
nag-back to
and
zero sila. Biruin mo, nasa abroad na sila pero
oo.
yun ang naging, kumbaga nag-try sila,
Yes.
kumbaga na-overwhelm
Yun nga
sila dun sa, wow, artist na to,
and
ganun ganyan.
even
Tapos
if the
ending,
the
lugi.
show is
Tapos
sold
yun,
out doesn't necessarily
back to
mean that
zero.
yes, that doesn't necessarily mean that you've earned a lot because many people are
Yes,
perceiving
yes,
that
yes,
but
yes,
they
yes.
don't know the cost behind it. Kahit sold out
No.
100 200% pa yan but unless you like really ang dami mong mga sponsors and everything, and it covers all the costs. Sold out doesn't necessarily mean that you've earned a lot, you know? So alam na alam mo.
Good to know, good to know, good to
Hmm.
know. At least alam namin kung saan ka nanggagaling, Mel. Kung saan kayo nag-iisip ni
Oh,
Kuya
as
Elmer.
in,
Malalaman
Every
mo
night kayo.
pag naka Lamborghini si Melio na yun.
Hindi natin alam, baka mamaya nga, ano, biglang ganun. Pero mahirap po talaga ang ginagawa nyo. Hindi
Mahirap
siya madali, pero we're so glad that you bring joy and happiness sa
yeah,
mga
yun,
kababayan
yun.
natin sa abroad. Yun po yung pinaka-importante na ginagawa nyo. Siguro, last ano nyo na lang siguro, any shout out or any last, ano nyo, pwede nyo i-plug about
oh,
your
ikaw
event
kuya.
or whatever?
Ako pa muna. Sige, sige. We invite you, we invite everyone, especially dyan sa Ireland, to come and watch, ang Mayonnaise coming this
Yes.
May 24 sa Belfast Limelight 2.
Ticketmaster.
Ang pangalan ng venue, yep, tickets available through Ticketmaster. So, ayun,
Yes.
marami na rin
The
bumili
venue.
based dun sa aming mga updates na nakukuha from Ticketmaster. So, ayun. So,
Feedback.
which is doon pa lang maganda yung ano namin, kumbaga parang feedback, yeah.
Mga
So,
tao.
looking forward kami na mapasaya yung mga kababayan
Yes.
natin dyan sa Ireland. So, yun ang pinaka-aim namin dyan eh. Um, since first time, so
Yes.
for sure, mayonnaise will bring the house down.
Oh.
Mayo sa Mayo,
Yes, I
kumbaga.
want to echo
Sure yan,
Kuya's
guaranteed.
promotion. So again, inaanyayahan po namin kayo to watch Mayonnaise on Sunday, the
Mhm.
24th of May. In Limelight 2, Belfast.
Mhm.
All the tickets are in Ticketmaster, and also
Mhm.
yung early bird is coming out. Malapit na matatapos yung early bird, so make sure to grab your tickets now. And paubos na din yung VIP. So guys, go grab your tickets now.
Yeah.
And also you'll get to witness multiple front acts from the UK and our local ones, Choi and Dot. And yeah, so we are so I just want to say thank you to our a lot of the content creators who have helped us promote the shows. And also we have a few content creators from Belfast
Mhm.
and the organizers of Barrio Fiesta Belfast for also pushing the tickets, and
Mhm.
DDC UK for helping us promote it as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much guys. Talagang nakakapanabik ngayon pa lang nakakwentuhan namin kayo kasama ng mga iba ba nating mga viewers, followers here in Ireland and around the world na makita at mapakinggan itong mga news, good news and talaga exciting news na pwede nilang makita at matikman pa sa mga darating pa in the future. And hopefully this won't be the first nga sabi ko, hopefully it won't be the last as well. Ito sana yung tuloy-tuloy na partnership at ng iba pa na makapunta yung ibang artist, mabigyan natin ng saya nga yung mga kababayan natin OFW na namimiss yung Pilipinas, sabi nyo. So hopefully they can get all of this experience once again here in our mga international places kung nasa man tayo na matikman, mabahagi yung kasiyahan na katulad nitong mayonnaise na sa darating na May in Belfast. Siguro i-plug ko na lang din, siguro, yeah, buy the ticket in Ticketmaster. Siguro, makikita nyo lahat yan dito sa description natin sa Boy Ireland. Lahat naman yan, makikita nyo sa Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Ipa-plug po natin lahat yan.
Yes.
And then, siguro, add ko na lang din yung Dublin Filipino Festival here in Ireland, guys. Na talagang,
Another one
Ma'am, if you
behind.
want to
Kuya,
introduce, ikaw
Kuya
naman
Elmer, I hope you can
behind
join
the
us sa
scene. So if you
festival
want
too.
to plug it as well,
So,
yes,
the very oh,
yes.
oh, please come and join
You
us.
never
So it's
know.
the
Baka
very
naman rin, diba?
first Filipino
Pwede naman.
festival
Walang
in
problema
Ireland.
eh.
We're gonna elevate the
Mm-hmm.
festival by
Yes.
bringing in multiple
Oh,
acts. Obviously, we
yun.
have
Nice, nice.
Piolo Pascual and RC Munoz representing the, yes, representing our Philippine icons from the Philippines. Not
Testimonials.
only that, we're gonna showcase a
Mm.
lot of multiple performances and historical backgrounds of all the promoting the cultural heritage of the Philippines. And I think the what makes us different is we have multiple free consultations, like free legal aid clinic by a group of solicitors who will be providing legal consultations for our community. We also have free financial literacy clinic. Anyone who are looking information about savings, pension, and how sa mga kababayan natin na walang who get informed and how to safeguard all their earnings. So apart from, there's multiple booths there for our kababayan, which we will bring more promotions moving forward. So I hope we see you there on July 21st in the Rollway Sports Club Sandymount. Yes.
Yes. So thank you Mel for that. Siguro ano na lang siguro magkakaroon kami ng another podcast with the team Mel G para malaman nyo yung buong story at ano yung pinaghahandaan kasi lahat to behind the scene hindi madali. I know it's only like what less than 5 months or 5 months whatever and it's everything like
Yeah.
the clock is ticking. So ang dami pa gagawin ni Mel actually. Siya yung behind the scene din. Ito siya yung brain ng lahat. So talagang medyo hindi ko alam kung nakakatulog pa si Mel at si Adrian dito. Pero hopefully,
Oh.
they getting all
Ay,
this support from
shout out pala
Filipino
one last. I
organizers here
have
and mga
friends
talented na mga
from
Pinoy
the
nandito sa
UK,
Ireland. And
Liverpool,
yeah,
Manchester, who are also,
yeah.
hindi pala Manchester,
Mm.
Liverpool and Birmingham. They're all coming to watch Mayonnaise sa Belfast. So, shout out sa inyo.
Ayun.
Thank you
Galing, galing.
po.
At least, dagdag, dagdag
Thank
yun
you
Yes.
sa
po. Thank you
ano,
for looking
sa
forward.
Thank you,
sa mga
Kuya.
pupunta sa Mayonnaise sa Belfast. Pero yeah, thank you so much guys sa wonderful night and day o afternoon kung nasa man kayo na napaunlakan nyo ang Buur Arlan. So hindi natitigil, sabi ko nga, ang ganitong podcast ng mga news, current news at mga entertainment news or event na meron tayo dito sa iba-ibang lugar. Hindi lang sa Arlan, Australia, umaabot na nga tayo. Philippines, umaabot na tayo. At sa iba pang lugar dito sa around the world. So thank you so much for giving us the opportunity na makausap kayo at masabi natin sa mga kababayan natin yung mga ganitong stories. So yun guys, maraming po salamat. Hope you have a good night and day
Thank
kung
you,
nasa man
Kuya.
kayo
Bye-bye.
and
Thank
hope
you
to
to
see you again
everyone.
in
Thank
our
you.
next podcast. Bye!